This is MadDogsTrains.com. Here's one of our conversion kits. So if you have a power pack with a cable coming out of your crossing, one end will come out of the crossing, the other end will go into the little converter box, which is the 12 volt 110 system. So basically what you're going to do is you can convert it to our solar pack panel. Comes with the clip assembly. Basically, you'll slide the bracket assembly in, use the screw to hold it in place on the side. Then you can mount this on the pole, mount it on the base, or you can mount it anywhere on the pole. Comes with a long cable. This will be your solar panel assembly. Rotates up and down, and it rotates 360. Once you get it, you pull off the safety shipping packing. When you get the unit in, you will unpack it and pull it out. There'll be a white clip here. Remove the white clip and put the red wire on. That is safety for shipping. And then what you're going to do is put your bracket assembly on. And then what you're going to do is come to the cable that comes out of the pole, and then the other one goes to that little power pack. So what you're going to do is cut it, preferably like a foot out of the pole, cut it, and then you're going to see, we'll include paper instructions. You're going to see on one side a striped wire, or stripes on the wire, and the other side will be plain. The one with the stripes on the wire is going to be your negative feed, 12 volt negative. And then the plain solid one is your positive 12 volt feed. Kind of shown here. We did it in black magic markers so you don't get confused. And then the clips will be marked positive and negative. So basically you're going to take this one, this clip here, and once you strip it, if you got soldering iron, preferably solder the wires so it's a nice tight fit, because that's what we do on all the wires, the bare wires, solder them. And then you're going to hook it in here. This clip with the male end is going to be the one that for the cable that goes to your power pack, the round silver power pack. That is so you can plug the two units back in. So this will be the one coming out of the pole. Like it says, the negative wire goes into the negative side, and then the plain goes in the positive side. Similar to this one I have here, hooked up to this crossing. So this will be your adapter coming out of the pole. It's going to be the female end. And then all you do is you plug it into the solar system. And away you go. Comes with a plug-in charger, so if you bring your power pack in and store it inside, it's not going to charge, so you can plug it in. It's recommended plug it for 20 hours for the first charge. We'll do that before it ships out. But if anytime you put this in the house and you don't have the solar panel out in the sun, battery tends to wear down. So plug it in. There'll be an LED light on here so you know it's on. And that's just so you can get a surface charge on it before you put it out in the system. And then once you get it, make sure it goes into the sun. Overcast charges about 1.5 volts. Full sun charges about 2.5 volts. And then all you do is hit your system to turn it on. And away you go. This is MadDogsTrains.com. Thank you.